So, hi dear Scorpio, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal love reading for all the Scorpio Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the 15th of December. I'm going to, till the 15th of December. The roles can be reversed also. The action can be from your side also. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video. If you want to be a reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that, I'm doing it from a very long time. And if you want one on one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same if you have any queries. Otherwise, you can book your slots. Let's clarify. Let's see what's happening from your person's side. The person that you have no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see, Scorpio. We have the Tower, the Hanged Man, the Queen of Pentacles. Someone is feeling very highly in this energy of they can't remain stuck in the situation anymore. They feel like they have to come out of this stuck situation, this stuck energy, and they have to be mature and practical enough to understand that this situation is over, this situation is gone, the story is done. They can't remain in this stuck energies forever, right? So someone is having a major realization here, and they're having this kind of sudden major realization, sudden rude awakening, where they are feeling they are stuck in the situation from quite a long time now. Now they have to take the responsibility of their life in their own hands, and they have to move to the next chapter of their life with maturity and practicality instead of being in their head about the situation all the time. They have to take the charge of the situation and be practical about it. Let's see what this person wants from you. It's like now they're realizing that they are kind of making their life hellish, and no one is to blame here. They are the only one to blame here. Let's see what this person wants from you. We have the Five of Wands, the Queen of Cups, and the Empress. They just want to stay away from the drama as away as they can. It's like whenever they think about the situation between you and them, this is always drama, this is always chaos, this is always conflict, and they just want to take care of themselves as much as they can so that they can move forward with their life and have the growth and expansion that they are yearning for from quite a long time now. Now this person is having some kind of a rude awakening out of the blue. It's like I am stuck only from quite a long time now. I'm stuck, and some one day I woke up and I realized that I'm wasting my time and energy onto something that's dead. Now I no longer want to be a part of this drama of this stuck energy. I want to take care of myself, and I want to have a good life. This is what this person wants. Okay, let's see what action is this person going to take towards you by the 15th of December, if any. Scorpio. We have the Five of Pentacles, the King of Cups, the Six of Pentacles. See, wow. It's like this person is going to have the realization that few things can be sorted out between you guys. There is still a possibility between you guys to sort few things out, not everything. So somebody will try to connect with you and to sort out a little bit, like bit by bit, you can say, or like uh, for example, you have 100 issues. They might try to sort 5 issues out of the 100 issues, so that at least you guys can be on a stable base with a mature kind of grounded kind of energy of. So somebody will try to connect with you to sort some issues with you. I don't see full on reconciliation. I don't see somebody coming towards you with this energy of let's get married or let's get committed or something like that. But I do see somebody trying to reconnect with you and trying to have a stable base with you, have a mature and adult communication with you, so that at least you guys can sort out few matters. That's what I'm getting here. It's out of concern. It's like they are going to realize that they can at least talk to you, let's say, about something related to money, something related to, just giving you an example, right? Something related to something that matters a lot to both of you. That's how it is going to be, like that. That's how it is going to be from this person's side. They will try to connect with you, and they will try to sort out some major issues with you that needs energy, that needs time, and that needs healing, so that at least you guys can sort out the issues that are kind of resolvable. the guidance for you, the magician. So whatever you want to manifest in your love and relationship area, be very very clear and honest with yourself. Be very very clear and honest with the what you exactly want from the universe. That's how you are going to manifest. Okay, if you are going to be continuously in this energy of I want this, then I want a past person, then I want something like that, then I want someone like that, or someone specific or something like that, you are confusing the hell out of the universe. And that is why you might end up getting the confused and mixed kind of energies that's going to make you feel very unstable, kind of pissed off. So this is the deal here. So thank you so much for tuning in, Scorpio. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.